All right, everyone. Hello, welcome back. I really liked the color combination that I used on that spring blowout where I had the yellow and the purple and the pink. So I wanted to continue using up these colors, but I wanted to do, so these are 10 by 10, so the whole thing is a 20 by 20, but I wanted to do the same blue base, and I wanted to do all yellow on this one, pink, blue, and purple. I don't know if they'll actually go in that order, but that's what I'm gonna try. So this is gonna be a short and sweet one, and I added sky blue, and I'll link the other video, but I added sky blue and phthalo blue. This is almost like a Naples yellow and yellow gold. A light pink I made and a magenta, and then blue violet and a purple that I made. And then I'm using white and silver as the accents. So you can let me know which one you like best. The blue on blue, I don't know about. I don't know. The yellow one, to be honest, was my favorite part of the last one. So we'll see. But let's paint. I'm gonna start with my little puddles here. Now, these canvases were super loose. I've had them for a long time, and they were really loose. And when I sprayed them on the back end, ooh, I saw a clump of something. When I sprayed them on the back end, I noticed that they buckled a little bit. And that's okay, that's all right. What I did was sprayed the front of them and then blew them dry. So if it buckles in the back, you could also lay it down flat, like lay the canvas down flat this way and let it dry. There's lots of ways to, if you had shims, if it was a canvas that had shims, but that's the easiest way for me is to, if it buckles from spraying the back with water, then just spray the front of it and you can blow it dry and it'll really tighten up the canvas for you. I gotta get out whatever was in there, but I gotta find it. So let me blow these out. Okay, here we go. I am not sure. I think I'm gonna do blue. No, I'm gonna do, ooh, I don't know. Like it matters, right? It's, okay, I'm gonna start exactly the way they are. So I'm gonna do purple up here, a pretty good amount of the lighter color. Pink here. I'm gonna save my yellow to the last. Blue on blue. And my yellow over here. Gosh, that yellow is just so pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna come in with my purple. This is a really great kind of exercise if you want to test out different color schemes. So if you're trying to decide what color scheme to go with, you could even do it on tiles, but set the same base and see how the colors change based on your perception of the negative space or of the background. I did this a lot when I was starting out, and it really helped me figure out what color combinations I like, keeping one thing constant and experimenting with the rest. So you could even keep the base and the colors the same, but do one maybe with gold, with copper, with silver, and see how that, ooh, I just gave myself an idea, and to see how that changes it too, because different color combinations will totally change the feel of a painting. I'll do my yellow now. Oop, I saw a little blob. Oh, well. I do love my canvas stands for this though, I'll be honest, because I only have to use 9 for a set of the 4 canvases, and I can do it with 12 by 12s too. It works out really well. And they are in my Etsy store still. I have a few from this last order that I ordered left before I order another set. So last time I did a little bit of the white, so I'm gonna do that again. it really brightened it up and made it really pretty. So a little white. And then a little of my lighter colors again, just a touch. And then, oh, I almost put the purple on the blue. Whoa, that was a lot. And then the last one will be the silver. And I like to do my silver in like a little squiggly line. Woo! Oh geez, oh geez, oh geez. Okay, all right. I like to do my silver in a little squiggly line because if you don't, sometimes you will just get it as like a blob in the middle of the painting. And while metallics are pretty, I like them mixed in a lot of times. Okay, this is good. So I'm gonna swipe over each one and then just kind of blow them out. I don't have to blow them the exact same. I'm just gonna see which one I like. This one actually is very pretty. I thought I wouldn't like that one as much. They're all actually really pretty. We'll see. I always tend to bias over here and blowing them out this way. So my favorite color combination is the blue and the yellow. And I love that a little bit of the background color got in and it mixed to this really pretty green, but I don't like as much the way I blew this one. So that part, unfortunate, because I think this one is my favorite color combination. Let me see. Okay, I like that one now. This one, the only thing I'm gonna touch on it is this little part right there. And this right here. Both of these, really like them. The pink, I'm not sure. Off camera, I may blow just this one little side of the pink and maybe this one little corner right here. I just can't do it while I'm on camera. I like these. I'm gonna let these dry and see how they turn out. I'll be honest, I thought I was gonna like the purple one too, but honestly, that's kind of my least favorite on this background. Like I said, the blue is really pretty. The yellow I really like. All right, let me take you in and show you. Each of these is so different in the blowout. This one took up a lot of space on the canvas. It's pretty centered. And you can just see all the beautiful soft cell reactions with the silver. This one, kind of similar, little bit more negative space, super soft in the center still. And you can see, ooh, got my pinky in there. You can see the reaction of the base starting, so I hope that doesn't take over. Same thing here with the purple, it happens more often. On the other painting, it happened that way too. But this one just has so much motion in the center. And then this one, I don't know. The blue may be my favorite. It's a pick between these two, I think. But this blowout is so different. Much more concentrated down here at the bottom, softer petals up there. I don't know, I think purple's my least, then pink, and it's a tie for these two. But let's see how they dry. I'm honestly really pleased with these. I was trying to decide which ones I like best, and I like them each for their own unique thing. So I love the composition and the colors of this one. This one is a much crazier blowout, but I think that's my favorite color combination. This one, the purple is very pretty, but my favorite part is this. I like the motion in that one. And then the pink is also very pretty and it has a lot of motion, and I actually love those little cells that popped up from the base. So there you have it. You can see how the different colors react on the different on the same type of base. So you can experiment around and see which color combinations you like. I had a lot of fun doing this one. I hope that you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Happy painting. Bye.